Hello there, this is ROHITH KRISHNAA. In this slide, I'm going to give a introduction to applets. So basically, what is a Java applet? So it is just a program, it's a special type of program which is embedded into the web pages to create a dynamic content, which is just runs inside a browser and works at a client side. So when it comes to applet, there are both advantages and drawbacks too. Firstly, this program works at the client side, so this takes very less response time. Second, this is a secured program, so no worries for the threats and malwares. Third, this program can be executed in any kind of popular browsers, which runs on any operating system such as Windows, Linux and Mac OS too. So when it comes to drawback, if this program is to be executed on client's browser, then they have to download and install the plugin to their browser too. And here is the hierarchy for the applet. It starts from JApplet to the applet, to the panel, to the container, to the component and to the object. Here is the life cycle of applet. Step 1. The applet is initialized. Second, it is started. Third, it is painted. Fourth, it is stopped. And fifth, finally it is destroyed. For creating a Java applet class, it provides 4 lifecycle methods of applet. At first method, it is used to initialize the applet. It is invoked only once. In method 2, it is invoked after the initialization method or browser is maximized. It is just used to start the applet. In method 3, it is used to stop the applet. It invoked when applet is stopped or browser is minimized. In step 4, it is used to destroy the applet. It is invoked only once. When there is a need to run an applet, there are 2 ways to run it. One is by a HTML file and another one is by applet viewer tool. But note it, the applet viewer tool is just used for a testing purpose. To create the applet by HTML file, create an applet and compile it. After that, create an HTML file and place the applet code in a HTML file. Now click the HTML file. And here is the simple example of applet by a HTML file. Note: class must be public because its object is created by a Java plugin software that resides on the browser. To execute the applet by applet viewer tool, create an applet that contains applet tag in a command and compile it. After that, run it by applet viewer first.java. Now the HTML file is not required, but it is for testing purpose only. Here is the simple example of applet by a applet viewer tool. To execute the applet by applet viewer tool, write this command in the command prompt, which is given below. Hope I covered all the introduction topics about applet in this slide. Thanks for listening to me. This is Rohit.